Have you ever driven past a massive construction site and just marveled at the sheer scale of it all? Towering cranes, skeletons of future skyscrapers, and down on the ground, a fleet of powerful machines, like giant metal beasts, sculpting the very earth. Today, we're diving deep into the world of these incredible workhorses. Earth-moving machinery. We'll explore how these titans of construction don't just move dirt, but literally lay the foundation for our modern world. From the nimble skid steer to the colossal excavator, each machine plays a vital role in a carefully choreographed dance of power and precision. So, buckle up, because we're about to unveil the raw power that transforms a simple patch of land into the sprawling cities we live in. Let's start with the undisputed king of the construction site. The one with its long arm, or boom, and a bucket at the end. An excavator is the ultimate multi-tool. Its primary job is, of course, digging. Whether it's carving out a foundation for a new building, trenching for utilities like water pipes and electrical cables, or loading massive amounts of soil onto dump trucks. The excavator does it with unmatched efficiency, but its versatility doesn't stop there. With different attachments, an excavator can become a demolition machine, equipped with a hydraulic hammer to break up concrete, or a handler, using a grapple to lift and place heavy materials. The 360-degree rotating cab allows the operator to work in a wide area without constantly repositioning the entire machine, saving precious time and fuel. It is this combination of raw power and surprising dexterity that makes the excavator the first machine on site and often the last to leave. Next up, let's talk about the bulldozers. If the excavator is the surgeon, the bulldozer is the powerhouse. That massive blade at the front, known as a dozer blade, is designed for one primary purpose: pushing huge quantities of soil, sand, rubble, or whatever else is in its way. Bulldozers are the great levelers. They are essential for grading, which is the process of creating a flat, stable base for a project. Think about it before you can build anything. The ground needs to be perfectly prepared. Bulldozers clear away vegetation, move massive piles of earth from high spots to low spots, and create the initial flat surface upon which everything else is built. They often work in tandem with other machines. For instance, an excavator might dig up a large pile of dirt, and the bulldozer will then come in to push and spread it out evenly. Their tracked design gives them incredible traction and stability, allowing them to work on rough, uneven, or soft terrain where wheeled machines would get stuck. They are the unsung heroes of site preparation. Now, let's move on to the movers and shakers. Literally, the wheel loaders and dump trucks. Once the excavators and bulldozers have done their digging and pushing, all that material needs to go somewhere. This is where the loading and hauling team comes in. A wheel loader, often just called a loader, is a heavy equipment machine with a large front-mounted bucket. Unlike an excavator, it's on wheels, making it much faster and more mobile around the site. Its main job is to scoop up loose material like dirt, gravel, or sand from stockpiles and load it into dump trucks. They are incredibly efficient at this task, able to move tons of material in a very short amount of time. Then you have the dump trucks, the logistical backbone of any earth-moving operation. These range from standard road-legal trucks to absolutely monstrous off-highway haul trucks that can carry hundreds of tons in a single trip. They are the circulatory system of the construction site, constantly moving material from the excavation area to a stockpile, or taking it off-site entirely. This continuous cycle of loading and hauling is what keeps the project moving forward. Without this efficient system, the site would quickly become choked with piles of dirt, grinding all progress to a halt. But it's not all about the giants. Let's not forget the smaller, more agile members of the earth-moving family. Machines like the skid steer loader and the backhoe loader are crucial for their versatility and ability to work in tight spaces. A skid steer is a compact, rigid-frame machine with lift arms that can attach to a huge variety of tools. Its name comes from its unique steering method. The wheels on each side are locked in synchronization, and turning is achieved by skidding or dragging its wheels. This allows for a 0-degree turning radius, making it incredibly maneuverable in confined areas. It can be a mini loader, a sweeper, a forklift, or even a small excavator with the right attachment. Then there's the backhoe loader, which is like a Swiss Army knife on wheels. It is essentially a tractor with a loader bucket on the front and a backhoe digging arm on the back. This 2-in-1 design makes it perfect for smaller scale projects or for tasks that require both loading and digging in close proximity. like residential construction or utility work. These smaller machines handle the detail work that the larger equipment simply can't, filling in the gaps and ensuring every corner of the site is perfectly prepared. So, how does this all come together? It's a symphony of steel. A typical project starts with surveyors mapping out the site. Then, the bulldozers and excavators arrive to begin the initial clearing and bulk excavation. The dozers strip away topsoil and level the ground, while excavators dig foundations and trenches. As they work, wheel loaders and dump trucks form a constant convoy, hauling away the excavated earth. The coordination is incredible. Site managers and machine operators are in constant communication, directing the flow of traffic to maximize efficiency and, most importantly, maintain safety. As the project progresses, the type of machinery might change. Graders will come in to create a perfectly smooth surface for roads or building pads, and compactors will follow to densify the soil, ensuring a stable foundation that won't settle over time. Every machine has a specific job, and they all work together in a sequence. It's a process that has been refined over decades, a powerful dance between man and machine. The impact of these machines is truly transformative. Think about a plot of land. It could be a hilly, rocky, overgrown field. To our eyes, it looks challenging, maybe even unusable. But to a construction team with the right earth-moving equipment, it's a blank canvas. Within days or weeks, that chaotic landscape can be completely reshaped. Hills are flattened, valleys are filled, and a perfectly graded, stable, construction-ready site emerges. This process is what makes modern infrastructure possible. Without earth-moving machinery, building a simple highway, let alone a massive airport or a skyscraper, would be an almost impossible task, taking countless years and an immense amount of manual labor. These machines are force multipliers, allowing us to achieve engineering feats that would have been unimaginable to our ancestors. They are not just moving dirt, they are shaping the future, creating the very ground on which our communities are built. The evolution of this technology is also fascinating. Early earth-moving was done by hand, with shovels and wheelbarrows, and then with animal-drawn scoops and plows. The invention of the steam engine in the 19th century led to the first steam shovels, which were revolutionary but clumsy and slow. It was the development of the internal combustion engine and hydraulic systems in the 20th century that truly unleashed the power of modern construction equipment. Today, the innovation continues. We're seeing the integration of GPS and telematics, allowing for incredibly precise, automated grading. Some machines can even operate semi-autonomously, following a digital site plan with centimeter-level accuracy. We're also seeing a push towards more sustainable equipment with electric and hybrid models that reduce emissions and noise pollution on site. The future of earth-moving is smarter, cleaner, and more efficient than ever before. So, the next time you see that excavator digging by the side of the road or a bulldozer carving a path through a field, take a moment to appreciate the incredible power and precision at play. These machines are more than just noisy, dirty equipment. They are the tools that build our world. They are the muscular force behind human ingenuity, turning ambitious blueprints into tangible reality. From the roads we drive on to the buildings we work in and the homes we live in, we owe a great deal to the powerful, tireless work of earth-moving machinery. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the heart of the construction site. I hope you have a newfound appreciation for these incredible machines. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the world of engineering and construction, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And let me know in the comments, what's your favorite piece of heavy machinery? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.